aerial drone view of the main homestead of our property at the ranch. This is our newest build concept. This is the medicinal garden. We're reusing guardrail ties as our border. In the inside, we have this old animal cage that we're using for vining fruits and herbs, and you can see we still have a lot of down trees that we're using for mulching. We're using companion planting and permaculture concepts in this space, and I can't wait to show you once it starts growing out a little bit. Here's a nice aerial view of the property. You can see where the gardening spaces are. Here we have the greenhouse, we have the raised beds and the in-ground beds. This is where we have our compost pile. Underneath the solar array, we have the worm bed. This area, we're planning on doing our orchard. We're gonna do the berm and swale method on the natural contour of the property. And lastly, I'm really looking forward to someday being able to have this space here be a community garden. I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for checking in.